Okay, this is my website. This website is completely about trying to sell cleaning, my cleanings, so I can come into your home and actually clean for you. And everything is kind of centered around that. My logo here is a woman cleaning. This picture is actually one of the most difficult things to do, ironically. It wasn't the actual picture, but the text. I kept trying to put text over top the picture once the picture was in, and I couldn't figure it out. So I actually had to take the picture and physically edit the picture with the words and then put it in. Um, yeah, and then these are just a couple of things that I wanted my customers to know. I cleaned his bathrooms. I can be hired for one day for a party. And also, I can come on a permanent schedule. So if you want me weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, down here, I wanted them to know that I can come into their house however they want, garage code, key, or they can let me in. Um, I require a walkthrough before every cleaning. If they want more information, they can click here. And then these are my reviews of just people that I've cleaned for. I have a portfolio here. I would like to add more to that portfolio as time goes on. So I have some cleaning tips here, nothing too intense. And another thing that I think I could add on with time and just kind of go through some things. And then and you can click on the blog again and I can show them kind of some of my work that I've done. So before and after pictures, I always think those are so helpful. And I have a few more down here that they can click. Um, and I feel like the thing that I learned the most from doing this is less is more. You don't have to have a lot on a page to make it look good. This is my contact information. I really wanted them to kind of know how I got started, just some things about my business, a picture about me. They can contact me at the bottom. And then here's my store. And I have 4 different products that they can buy. So basic cleaning, move out cleaning, semi-deep cleaning, and my favorite. So if I were to buy something, so I click on one of the products, pops up, and basically they can add to cart, see the price, and this is basically everything that's included. And they can click another one. Um, so I think the most difficult thing was just trying to work within Divi and realize I couldn't move everything exactly how I wanted, um, or I tried to add too much, and I really do feel like less is a lot better. And also trying to put text on a picture, probably just edit the picture. So these are all the different things that I've done.